Here we will check this 18 volts cordless reciprocating saw. How to replace the saw blades. Turn the chuck counterclockwise. Insert the saw blade and loosen the collet. Then install the base plate. Turn on the chunk. The saw blade could be easily removed. Tips and solutions. Firstly, charging status illustration. Connect the battery charger. Green light is on. The red light is on. It is in charge. Fully charged in 1 hour, the green light will be on. If the green light is flashing, the battery temperature is too high. When the blue light is on, the battery is low and needs to be charged. If the charger shows a green light and the battery is faulty. Secondly, the device is jittery during the work. Make your base plate against wood, then the shake stops.